All the major YouTubers are using their custom thumbnails for making their videos pop and to get more clicks and views. This makes their videos stand out from even videos that might have more views or be more popular. Great YouTube thumbnails catch viewers' attention and get more views, which means more revenue. So here I'm to design an eye-catchy YouTube thumbnails for your videos. I'll create you a nice thumbnail that attracts attention and makes the viewers curious about your content. Order YouTube thumbnail for your video now.